Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today I thought I would give you a tip on better baking with butter. A lot of the times you'll see a direction in a recipe that says something like softened or softened but cool, and what does that even mean? So I'm going to show you how you can tell if you're there. The perfect temperature for creaming butter for a cookie or a cake is when it's a little cool and not completely room temperature. And if you open your butter and you have some residue on the paper, that is a good sign that you're there. Another test is you put your finger in it and you'll make a little dent. I don't know if you can see that. You'll make a little dent, but it's not easy to squish down. The other way is you take your butter, I'll do it without the wrapper so you can see, and you just kind of gently bend it. And if it doesn't break, but just kind of bends like this, that's another sign that you're there. If it's too soft, especially the finger test is going to let you know that you're just a little too warm. So this will give you a better bake, and I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.